Well, hello there. So it's day 2 of Snowzilla Blizzard 2016. It's been snowing all night. It started like in the early afternoon Friday, and it's Saturday right now. We work real hard. I think he has a headache or something right now. We're both in onesies. I'm in my penguin onesie. Yeah. He's in my cat onesie. Yeah. Till his comes in. And then we're about to go out to see our cars. I've been checking on our cars periodically, just, you know, kind of see how the snow is. So I figured we'd take y'all with us, because we're only going to go out for a minute and then come back inside, because it's like 2 feet of snow. Ish. You want to hold the log camera, dear? So.
Okay, you go first.
Okay. Oh my god. Can you put my hood on?
Both?
Yes. Okay,
and there she goes. See ya, honey. Luckily, she's made a path for me, so I don't have to get wet. What the? We'll just look down at the snow, so people won't know where we live and throw snowballs at us. Yeah. They're gonna hunt us down just to throw snowballs.
Like Call of Duty.
Yeah. It's like kill confirmed. So as you can see, a few cars have been lost. Like those. Those are like graves. Fully covered. The beetles somehow like seem making it. There's us.
You have to get out first, though.
Yeah.
I was just about to go check my car, but I mean, I think I still can. A little curvature right here. Everything kind of just blew in, if you can see that, and it's decently tall. Kids school. Hello? Okay. Kids school's closed tomorrow. Jeez. It's exactly at 2 feet. Nice. Nice. Baby? Where are you? I'm going to look at the cars. Smarter. Oh, okay. Onesie's opening. Hold. So we are trying to leave for the first time. Chris unburied the car as much as he could. So we are gonna see how this goes. As far as, you know, escaping. I'm in a penguin onesie. We're gonna go to Target, and hopefully get some Rocky Road ice cream, because I've really been wanting Rocky Road ice cream. And this is kind of like a first attempt at leaving the complex, so I can hopefully leave later tonight and make it over to the girls. They are making fall today as well. Another day, still snow on the ground. Yesterday we got stuck. Very soon after the last clip, we got stuck like maybe like what, like a few feet out of the spot.
Yeah.
like all four wheels weren't touching anymore. The snow was a little too high. So after getting over that pile of snow that the tow truck created, Monkey had to bring Monkey had to bring the tow hook for my car, so my tow hook is on my car right now. I have no front plate, it's just chilling on the ground. But I mean, we'll put it back on after the snow's cleared. We're heading off to Chris's parents' house right now because there's a package, my Milani package had to be shipped there because it wouldn't ship to apartments for some reason. Yeah, it would not allow that.
Milani's official website
does
not know what an apartment is.
I ordered the new Milani Amore matte and lip cream because they came out with 10 new shades. I never got the other remaining of the first 10, which sucks, but those are unavailable now. And then the 2-in-1 foundation and concealer that a lot of people are asking me to review. So we're gonna head down there now and then pick up some food as well. Piles of snow. The only thing that really sucks is you can't see around turns and stuff right now. Like all the right lanes or turning lanes in general are just covered. So everything is really like narrow. Dropping off the girls earlier, it was like a street that wasn't plowed at all, and then Monkey had to like walk with them. They completely stopped because there is no merge lane anymore. And then watch the heck out. Otherwise, they plowed the majority of the streets well. It's all the neighborhood streets that have not been touched at all. A lot of people couldn't go to work today. There's the Ayva picture. How cute, right? Monkey said she did pretty good, and eventually, like, you know, he carried her some of it, but she wanted to walk again. And I was like, oh. And then this is my neighbor's car. A lot of them look like that still. Oh, look at her. So we're leaving Kava because I needed to eat because it's like 2-something in the afternoon. I haven't ate yet, but yeah. I got my usual bowl with braised beef, pickled onions. This is spicy harissa sauce. There's one tzatziki dip. Kind of want to get that dip. I just had to accent for a second. White rice, and then there's tomato onion, like kind of like a pico de gallo thing, but like not really, not fully. And yeah, we're heading off now. Oh, Snow Mountain. Snow Mountain. More Snow Mountain behind us. Snow Mountains everywhere. At least the stop sign's visible. That dude is so screwed.
He's walking the way to the stop.
Is he? Yeah, he's been there for a while. That sucks. Is that where we have to go? No. You do? Well, oh my god, don't die. Don't die. Oh, this is pretty. That's cool. Well. Max Dante. Hello, hello. So I took off my lashes and my lips right now because I was chilling eating Chipotle. But I'm in the middle of a wear test for the Milani foundation. And I wanted to show you guys my new slippers. I had these growing up. I had these. These are Happy Feet slippers. And they look like sneakers, obviously. I bought some because we were trying to get Chris some slippers because his feet get super cold in the house. So I decided on going with these because they look just like his... Oh, he took them out. Damn it. But he has a black pair of like Adidas's that look just like this. So we have these little slippers now. But we are about to run out to Target and Ulta because I need more of the Mario Badescu drying lotion, the pink stuff you see all over my face. I'm running out. I need one for this house. I need one for Monkey's house too for the days I am over there. And I need to get a shower cap for that house too because I don't wash my hair every time I'm there. So rare occasion I shower there, like I don't have anything to kind of protect my hair. I have like disposable shower caps, but my hair always falls out on the inside. So I usually use the Sonia Kashuk one. It's really, really nice. It's microfiber on the inside, and it holds really well. Actually, it's fine. It's fine. Turn off the lights. Okay, here we go. And then I need to go to the Toys R Us that's next to Target to get Ava's birthday gift because her birthday is tomorrow. And then I'm taking all her birthday supplies to the car right now so I don't forget them since I'm sleeping there. tonight, and then like her outfit for tomorrow, and all her food for her party is already like in my car because it's like nothing that's gonna expire or anything like that. The cake is not gonna be placed until later. I have to ask my sister when her cake's gonna be done. But yeah, you left your phone, by the way, dearest.
I had to come back.
Okay, so we have to carry all this trash out because we get packages on packages like every day. So this is like Chris's car, and then my car finally got back into its spot today. Oh my god, it's like raining. Where are you going? Oh. Eee! Water. Thank you, dearest. Okay. So yeah, oh, I should show you guys around us, right? A couple cars still buried, but there was like walls of snow like that high everywhere. So I finally got back into my space today because it's blocking. But yeah, they like everywhere, including Monkey's neighborhood, had bobcats, like little machines, to like little mini bulldozers kind of, and I got it.
When you first said that, I thought about like an animal. I was like, that's.
But they're called bobcats.
Yeah, I know, but I just forgot.
Yeah, I told him yesterday. I was like, there's a bobcat blocking the street.
I was like,
an animal. That shows your imagination. I'm gonna say that. I want to put my my plate back on today because now I don't need my tow hook anymore for sure. Because the streets are, oh my god, pretty good. But I think Monkey's gonna keep my car this weekend while we are in LA. So. I don't think I mentioned, I tried to like block you. Okay, I need to go up and get my buzz done tomorrow because BK said I have to get it done Thursday since I'm leaving Friday. If I got it done yesterday, that it wouldn't look good for the trip. It would grow out and he can't like retrim it after that, like to make it look how he wants it to look, like his vision. So after dropping off the kids at school tomorrow morning, gotta race up there, get that done, come back down because I want to like have plenty of time before Ava's school birthday party because I obviously have like all of the stuff. I'll have the cake and all that, so if I am late, that would suck. So I want like hours ahead of time, which I'm not the party. I'm just transporting the party to the birthday girl. God, it's bright. Oh man, it's Toys R Us time. It's been a while. Let's see what they came out with. Probably something ridiculous. And I'll feel like they need it. What the heck is that? Color on Anna? Well, I guess they knew how. Jewelry box, alarm clock. Definitely don't need one of those. Got too many cars. Like, they had so many little cars. The big cars they like. Let's see. Oh my god, they're like fish pets. My dad would have got me one of these as a kid. Instead he got me the stickers. But if they had these as a kid, this would have been my pet. No joke.
Your cookies, yummy cookies. Yeah, you
I got
fruit nuts, yummy.
Happy birthday.
I got your hat. Mommy, look, I'm
I
getting
like your hat.
me.
You like your buttons? You got a hat. Oh.
Sorry.
Uh-oh. Okay, and here, there you go. Ava.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ayva. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, blow it
Okay,
out.
blow. Make a wish.
Blow it, Ava. Good.
Yay!
Can I see your bracelets?
No!
see your birthday hat? Oh, it fell down again. Okay, let's take it off when you're playing, okay? Lots of tickets, because you know how we do tickets. And then Taylor's. Hi, Ruby. You have friends? Who's your friend? Yeah. You got it? You opened it all by yourself? Oh, okay.
Ava, we gotta take.
Who invited her? Hi, Ruby. The call says specifically under 3. What is this? You're definitely not under 3. You're barely under 30. I fit. Good job, Ruby. Ava, Mia, cheese. Hey. Oh. Here's our hot mess. Pick up the zebra. Ashes, ashes, they all fall down. Yay. Okay. Very. See the cheese. She wants to play Ring Around the Rosie with you.